Oh, that was a bad idea. No, I don't know why I did that. Okay. Hi everybody, and welcome to Man Cake, where we play before we eat and always lick the bowl. I'm Dan, and if this is your first time, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos, and click that bell like a cake boss so you know when brand new recipes are available. Now today, on our little bar crawl in the kitchen, we're going to do a tequila sunrise cake. Tequila in the cake batter, tequila in the buttercream, all with our little tiny Jose Cuervo? So today, we're going to go ahead and make a tequila sunrise cake with Jose. So be sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's get baking. Oh, that was a bad idea. No, I don't know why I did that. Okay. In your mixing bowl, add 2 cups of sugar and 6 whole eggs, with both the yolks and the whites. Then, go ahead and let those two mix on a low-medium speed for about 2 minutes, until both the sugar and the eggs are fully incorporated. And while that mixes, add in 1 1/4 cups of butter at room temperature. One stick of butter, 2 sticks of butter, and then just let that butter mix for about 3 to 5 minutes. This way, the butter, sugar, and eggs really mix together and get fully incorporated. While that continues to mix, we're going to take 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then, go ahead and give those dry ingredients a little quick mix. Now, we can go ahead and start adding in our dry ingredients to our cake batter. Start by adding half of your dry mix. And allow that to mix on a low-medium speed, while adding in 2/3 cups of orange juice. And we'll go ahead and let that mix. And then add in the remaining half of our flour mixture. Then, just go ahead and allow your batter to mix really well on a medium speed for just about a minute. This way, all those ingredients we just added into the cake batter can get really incorporated in there. Once your cake batter is mixed, you'll want to go ahead and divide it between 2 mixing bowls. We'll add a little bit here and a little bit here. In 1/2 of the batter, add a 1/4 cup of pomegranate juice, followed by just a tiny little bit of red food gel coloring to really make that red pop in the cake batter. Then, just go ahead and give everything a good whisk. This way, you get that red really incorporated. For the second half, you want to add a 1/4 cup of tequila, of your choice, followed by a tiny little splash of yellow food gel coloring to give it that nice tequila gold color. Then we'll go ahead and just mix everything up here for this batter before pouring into our prepared pan. Now there are going to be different ways you can do this here. What I like to do is just free pour the batter. Starting with the yellow, moving to the red, and then just alternating between the two until all the cake batter has been added into the pan. Let's go ahead and get an aerial shot. This way, everybody can see what it looks like. Then, just bake for an hour. So, now that we have the cake in the oven, we can go ahead and start our tequila buttercream. Really, all we're gonna need is just 6 sticks of butter, a little tiny bit of tequila depending on how boozy you want it, and some green food coloring, because what makes you think of tequila than the color green? I think. Or is it more of a gold? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let's get started. For our buttercream, we're gonna go ahead and add in 6 sticks of butter at room temperature into our mixing bowl. And with our paddle attachment, we're going to allow this butter to mix on a medium speed for about 5 to 7 minutes to really let the butter get light and fluffy in good buttercream fashion. And once your butter is fluffy like a cloud, we can go ahead and start adding in our other ingredients. So let's start by adding 3 cups of powdered sugar. So once that powdered sugar mixes into the butter, we can go ahead and start slowly adding in our tequila, followed by a little bit of fresh lime juice, and a little tiny sprinkle of salt. And then really just allow all those ingredients to mix into your buttercream. For today, we're going to go ahead and add more powdered sugar, but depending on how thick or thin you'd like your buttercream will really determine how much tequila, and lime juice, and powdered sugar you add into the recipe. I like my buttercream thick, but I also want to get that tequila and that lime taste. So we're going to go ahead and keep adding in a little more tequila and a little more lime juice, followed by more powdered sugar, and then just alternating in that pattern until our buttercream is nice and thick and has that rich tequila taste, followed by that refreshing lime flavor. Now, to get our nice green color, go ahead and add a couple of drops of yellow, green, and dark green food gel coloring. And then mix on high to not only get all those colors mixed in, but to also knock out any air that may have gotten into the buttercream while we were mixing at that low speed. And there's our green tequila buttercream. Now for the cake building. Go ahead and take the bottom layer of your cake and add it on top of your cake stand. Then we're going to want to add a good amount of buttercream onto our bottom layer of the cake. Now I'm using a piping bag, but any way you want to get that buttercream on there is completely up to you. Then we're just going to smooth it out with an offset spatula. Add on your top layer, bottom side up, to give it a nice flat surface on top. Then we'll add a little more buttercream on top of the cake and smooth it out with our offset spatula. Then, while rotating the cake, start piping on your buttercream around the sides of the cake. Now, with your smoother pressed up lightly against the side of your cake, you'll want to rotate your cake to smooth out all that buttercream. And not just on the sides, you'll want to do this on top as well. to give it a nice clean look. Because after taste, it's all about presentation. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm dying to taste this cake. So let's cut into it, see what it looks like, and how it tastes. And here we have it, our tequila sunrise cake with tequila buttercream. It looks delicious. Definitely gonna have to try a piece of this. Let's just get in there. Very satisfying. You can taste the tequila. That's delicious. Are there any desserts or recipes you'd like to see? Let me know down below in the comments. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more man cake recipes. As always, life is short, so lick the bowl. Until next week, bye.